Okay, what is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel back again on my soapbox channel to give you guys yet another video, and I am going to put on some lip gloss. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for some e-commerce supplies that are super common, things that you need to consider getting before you even start putting things up for purchase, because a big part of e-commerce business and getting repeat customers and just happy, good feedback is being ready to ship. So, needless to say, this is going to be like shipping supplies and stuff like that. Thanks to Amazon, a lot of things got here pretty quick. So let's open up our first item. Okay, I didn't even know I had this yet. Okay, so a couple things in this box. So let's start off with this. So I got some Grandma's Secret sneaker cleaner. This may be important for you if you're going to be getting into the resale business like I am. I'm currently opening up an eBay store. So before, I wouldn't need something like this. I was selling lingerie. But now, if I find something that's really good, like some really good shoes, but maybe they just need a little bit of clean, maybe there's a little bit of white that needs to just be brought back to life. I don't want to have to seek out someone to fix these shoes myself. I don't want to have to seek out anyone to fix the shoes. So I just got a couple of supplies that I'm going to be using. I also ordered some glue, but it's not here yet. So you know how sometimes maybe the front of a tennis shoe or something is starting to peel off? Basically, I'll just do a little bit of cleaning and repair before I even list the shoes, so that I can ask for a better buying price and that they're just in an overall better condition. All right, next thing I got, and all this stuff will be down in the description. So if you guys are thinking that, oh, that's a good idea, I should get some too, don't even worry, don't even trip, I got you. The next thing I got are these, let me try to get closer so you can see. These inventory labels. So basically I'm going to use these, and I'm going to use my thermal printer to create inventory numbers so I could put them on my bags. I don't know, it's hard to say, but I truthfully don't see myself just completely like having my whole room or a whole storage full of stuff just yet in the first year. Hopefully I have a really good sell-through rate, so I never have to like have just a whole bunch of storage. But regardless, I want to start off my inventory with a very organized system. So I got this, and I will be making a video about how you can make inventory labels with your thermal printer. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely subscribe to the channel. I will walk you guys through it on the computer, show you guys the free ways that you can do it, and yes, just stay tuned. So yes, I got myself some of these labels. I already have labels for like shipping, so I didn't need to buy any of that. I have like a whole another box of 1,000 of 4x6. Now let's go to the next box. Oh, this one's a little heavier. Okay, I'll show you all the Amazon box. This one's much larger, a little bit heavy. Okay. All right, I'm thinking maybe I should save these just in case I need to use them for orders. All right, next thing I got are these clear bags. I got a 200 count of 12 by 15, and these are adhesive bags. So basically, you know, these are for clothing, pants. I might be able to fit some shoes in here as well. And basically, when I do my inventory, when I do my listing, I'm just going to go ahead and have everything ready to ship, so it can speed up my shipping time. And if I'm ever on the go and I need to just get in and out, that way I don't have to try to pack everything up, find it, pack it, and ship it. It'll just be more of a ship, because everything will already be pre-packed. And that's another reason why I got those labels, because I will be placing those labels with numbers on the bag so that I know exactly which item is which without having to like look through my items. Okay, the next thing that I got is poly mailers. Okay, so I got black poly mailers. I like black. I think that it's just sleek, it's cute, And this is a 100 pack, and these are also 12 by 15. I like to get larger ones. I know that you could get options and you can have smaller poly bags, but since I know that I'm mostly going to be shipping like shirts and pants, this is good. But if I ever have anything that's smaller, I always found that even with my lingerie, if I ran out of small bags, it's cool because with these bags you can literally just fold them, put the item in there, fold them, and then seal it so that it's like in half, or like there's just different ways that you can do it. So starting off with the basic, just 100 pack to get started. And as I see how my my inventory flows out, I will kind of just do automatic on Amazon. Like say I run out of 100 in a month, I will just put it on subscription so that every month, without thinking about it, so I never run out of bags. The bags will continue to come to me. If it's at 100 every 2 months, then I'll just set it for that, you know, and then if I ever need to expedite the process, I can. But just good things to have when you're starting off. I really like Amazon for my products. Even for my lingerie business, I always got my shipping supplies and my labels and things off of Amazon. I just like to be able to go ahead and compare the prices. 2 things that I'm also thinking of getting is 4x4 boxes, 5x5 boxes is already in my shopping cart for Amazon, and then also bubble wrap. So I did end up picking some mugs up and some things that could break in the mail. So I need to be prepared in the event that someone decides to buy from me. I don't want to be having to scramble around. So that's something else that I will go ahead and put into the description. If you guys want to go ahead and get that and check it out. So anyways, I know this is super short and sweet, but I did want to just come on here and do this video before I got into the thick of it. You guys can also check out the video of me and my new scale that I got. It's a really nice scale. It's very big. It's actually sitting on my desk right now. I did some reorganizing on my desk so that I can optimize my space and get it ready for shipping and get all the personal stuff off of my desk so that when it's time to work, that I can just go ahead and knock it out. I'm actually going to start putting up my first listings today, which is super exciting. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be really loading this channel up, pretty much loading daily, every other day. I'm really going to just go full force with it. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, if you're interested in anything e-commerce, business, reselling, thrifting, because I will be doing thrift hauls on this channel as well. I'm actually about to record one right after this. So I'll see you guys next time. As I always say, Pasha, stay cute. Mwah. Subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment down below if you feel like you have any questions at all. All right, bye.